Hi, this is Javier again from Reyes Waterfall Landscape, El Cajon. This is a little wave path with a small pebble, and we saw mulch, gorilla mulch around the plants, and we have a couple plants, so desert plants and flowers and succulent plants here, and we cover with the river rocks and a stepping stone here like with flagstone in a small area with gorilla mulch and a small retaining wall there. It's a nice backyard here and a mesa too. The gorilla mulch around, decoration grass right there, nice flowers, and small palm trees here. And we have a nice view here, and we go to saw concrete rocks there in the corner and another one in the middle on the hill. This go be painted with a white color and go to turn like granite rocks. If you looking something about this kind of work, landscape work, there's many plants here between river rocks. Call Reyes Waterfall Landscape, El Cajon, 619-631-2808. Thank you.